on my supersonic rocket ship. Nobody has to be hemmed, nobody needs to be out of sight. Oh, out of sight, man. Nobody's gonna travel second class. There'll be equality, no suppression of minorities.